Welcome back, students. We are looking for the class 11th biology and the chapter 5th, that is the cell structure and organization. Okay, we have discussed all the introductory portion regarding cell. Two types of cells we have discussed in a short, that is eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Okay, in this lecture we will try to sort out some information about the organelles. Okay, first we will look briefly about the eukaryotic cell. What are the eukaryotic cells? Okay, characteristics of the eukaryotic cell. Thereafter we will discuss the plant cell. Okay, so moving to the topic, that is, we have already known that there are two main types of cells, that is the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. In yesterday's lecture we have discussed the diagram of the prokaryotic cell and the characteristics of the prokaryotic cells. Now we are looking for the eukaryotic cell. Okay, so moving to the characteristics of the eukaryotic cell, it has a well defined or definite nucleus. Yes, the main difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell is about the nucleus. In prokaryotes, what happens? There is no nucleus, or if there is a nucleus, then there is no nucleus membrane, or it is not well defined, not totally developed. Okay, but in eukaryotic cell, the nucleus is well defined. You can see it clearly under the electron or compound microscope. Okay, next, nuclear membrane is available. When there is a nucleus, the membrane, which is the covering for that particular organ, is available. So nucleus है तो nucleus membrane भी available है, means it is totally developed nucleus. Membrane bound organelles, there is another difference. In prokaryotes there were organelles inside the cell, but there were no membranes for the particular organ. Organ की कुछ particular membrane available नहीं थी, but in eukaryotes there is a membrane bound organelles. जितने भी organs है उनको एक particular membrane होती है, एक covering होती है. Have a different size, shape and physiology. Yes, it has a different sizes, different shapes and different physiology. Size is also we have discussed, shape is also we have discussed yesterday. Size छोटी भी हो सकती है, 0.3 माइक्रोन से लेकर 15 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग तक के सेल हो सकती है, that is size. Shape we have discussed, spherical, cylindrical, conical, polygonical, oval, whatever it may be, but physiology is the new word. Physiology means the components present inside the cell may be different. In plants there will be different components. In animals there will be different components of the cell. So physiology may be changed. After that, the plasma membrane is available. Yes, the membrane, एक पूरी सेल की जो मेम्ब्रेन होती है सेल वॉल, उसके अंदर एक सेल मेम्ब्रेन होती है, प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन होती है. दैट मेम्ब्रेन इज आल्सो अवेलेबल इन यूकैरियोटिक सेल्स. नाउ the cell organelles, I have mentioned few cell organelles, but more than that there may be another cell organelles. I have mentioned the few important cell organelles which are present inside the eukaryotic cell. Okay, so cell organelles, what are the cell organelles? There is a mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, all these are the organelles present inside the cell. जैसे अपनी बॉडी के अंदर बहुत सारे organs हैं, हार्ट है, लंग्स है, किडनीज है, लिवर्स है, एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन्स है, आर्टरीज है, वेंस है, करेक्ट, स्टमक है, इंटेस्टाइन्स है. Such type of organelles also present inside the cell, and that are the mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. It has two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. After that, ribosomes are also available. Golgi complex is there. Nucleus is there. Vacuoles are there. Nucleolus is there. Chloroplasts are there. Crystals are there. Large central vacuole also is there, and etc. Means more than that, some another organelles, supporting organelles are also there. These are the main organelles I have mentioned. Okay, After that, most variety of the living organisms are having the eukaryotic cell. Important point. Maximum जो living organisms है, they are having the eukaryotic cells. In short, you can say that developed organisms are having the developed cells, and developed cell is the eukaryotic cell. Why did the eukaryotic cell is known as a well-developed cell? Why? Because all these characteristics are covered inside such type of cell. Well-defined nucleus, nuclear membrane are available, plasma membranes are also available, different physiology is there for the different cells, plant cell, animal cell, bacterial cell, phagostic cell, all cells will have a different physiologies. Okay, so most of the variety of the organisms is contained in the eukaryotic cell. Okay, now we will move to the next side of the blackboard, that I have mentioned the diagram of the plant cell. If it is not clear on the blackboard, keep your textbook in front of you and look for this diagram. I am going to show you some organelles which are present in a cell. It is a diagram for plant cell. We will discuss the diagram of animal cell in next lecture. Okay, so it's a rough diagram for the plant cell. Now moving from the one by one organelles. Okay, now it is a cell. The uttermost level of the cell, which is dark in color, you can see it is called as a cell wall. Okay, cell key wall, it is the uttermost layer of the cell. It's called as a cell wall. Clear? After that, the Golgi apparatus, or it is also called as a Golgi complex. Okay, it is one of the organelle present in the cytoplasm of the cell. ये जो लिक्वस मटेरियल आपको व्हाइट कलर में इस वैक्यूल के बाहर जो दिख रहा है, it is called as a cytoplasm. It is a liquid material in which all these organs are suspended. ये जो सभी organelles है, ये साइटोप्लाज्म के अंदर सस्पेंड होते हैं, स्विंगिंग होते हैं, लोकेटेड होते हैं. Okay, so cell wall is the uttermost layer. After that, there is a Golgi apparatus. After that, chloroplast. Chloroplast, what is the function in photosynthesis? Chloroplast का सबसे important function होता है. We will discuss all that in a descriptive method. Just you have to remind the organelles. Okay, it is a chloroplast. Chloroplast सिर्फ plant cell में होते हैं, animal cell में there is a no need of chloroplast. Why? Because autotrophs जो होते हैं, they are using chloroplast for the synthesis of food. Okay, so chloroplast. After that, this shape is a vacuole. You can see this one, the bigger shape is called as a vacuole. Vacuole is a space where extra food material is stored. Okay, so it is a vacuole. Okay, large vacuole also is called as central. Okay, after that, some crystals. Both these two are crystals. This one and these dotted crystals. Okay, so these lengthy crystals are called as the rapide crystals because it is developed or discovered by the scientist, that is the rapide. Next, crystals are present in the ball structure. Some dotted structure is called as a Drew's crystal. Rapide crystal and Drew's crystal. Rapide crystal is somewhat lengthy and it is a dotted or circular. That is the Drew's crystal. Next organelle is the mitochondria. It is an important organelle in the cell. Mitochondria is also called as a powerhouse of the cell. Energy देने का काम जो होता है सेल में, it is done by the mitochondria. We will look it after. It is a cytoplasm. The liquid material which is present all around the cell is called as a cytoplasm. Clear? Now, next, that is the Golgi vesicles. Golgi complex या Golgi apparatus के बाजू में कुछ dotted structure है वो जो है, that is called as a Golgi vesicles. After that, ribosomes, important. These dotted structures present in a cell are called as a ribosomes. Okay. After that, SER, that is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. As I have already told you that endoplasmic reticulum is of two types, smooth and rough. So it is a SER, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. उसका surface जो होता है that is smoother related to the rough endoplasmic comparison with the rough endoplasmic reticulum. That's why it is known as a SER. There is a nucleolus. Okay, this one is the nucleolus. Don't get confused. Nucleus and nucleolus is another part. Nucleus. This one is the whole structure is called as a nucleus. You can see. This one is the nucleus. But nucleus के अंदर भी एक nucleus होता है, that is called as nucleolus. Nucleus and nucleolus. Okay. After that, it is RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum, having a rough surface area. That's why it is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. After that, the large central vacuole. Okay, we have discussed already. It is also a vacuole. And last one, it is the amyloblast. Amyloblast, starch जो होता है प्लांट सेल के लिए important portion होता है starch का, important. Okay, so it is also called as a starch grain, जहाँ पे starch की creativity होती है, starch create होता है, that is called as a amyloblast. Okay, important, very much important portion in this chapter. Plant cell as well as animal cell. आपको बिल्कुल क्लिक होना चाहिए कि प्लांट सेल बोलने के बाद दिस इज द शेप, इट हैज अ सेल वॉल. उसके अंदर सबसे बड़ा एक वैक्यूल निकाल लो. वैक्यूल के साइड में देयर विल बी द न्यूक्लियस एंड सस्पेंड ऑल दीज ऑर्गेनल्स. ओके, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स, स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, क्लोरोप्लास्ट, crystals, cytoplasm, vacuoles, amyloblast, nucleus, nucleolus. We have to show all such organelles inside the cell. Okay, ये plant cell है. Okay, click बताते समय एकदम draw the neat and label the diagram of plant cell. आपको एकदम माइंड में फिट होना चाहिए कि सर ने बताया था कि इसी सिस्टम से हमें इसकी डायग्राम निकालनी है. ओके, सो ऑल इट अबाउट द यूकैरियोटिक सेल के कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, एंड ऑन अनदर साइड वी हैव placed the diagram of the plant cell and the organelles present inside the plant cell. I think you understood it. Remind it, take screenshot and note down all the points in your notebook. Okay, thank you.